The challenges facing today's data center network managers keep multiplying as fiber density, data speeds, and application demands continue to increase. On-site teams are tasked with upgrading and modifying their fiber connectivity, and time is money. Easy access to panel components, configuration flexibility, and polarity management are all critical factors. That's why CommScope developed Propel. It's a fully modular, high-speed fiber platform that enables installers to quickly and easily modify fiber connectivity. In this video, we will review several scenarios where changes can be made in the installed Propel panel with minimal disruption. Here, we have a Propel panel with LC duplex connections on the front and MPO trunks on the back. With Propel, these could be any MPO configuration in the same panel: 8 fiber, 16 fiber, or your legacy 12 or 24 fiber. No need to change out panels on site. Let's say you need to make a configuration change. Maybe you need to add more ports or transition from duplex to parallel to better align with your application. Propel makes it easy and fast. Say you want to keep the same fiber count, but transition LC duplex to an MPO 8, MPO 16, or SN connection on the local network device. Start by disconnecting the patch cords. At the front of the panel, release the patch cords from the vertical management system. This creates slack on either side of the blade. Simply pull the tab at the right side of the blade to slide it forward. Remove the patch cords from the clip and lift the cable clip up to release it. Disconnect the patch cords. Now you're ready to install the equipment cord. Here we have an MPO 8 to LC duplex cord. Install the equipment cord in the MPO module. After inserting LC connectors, reinstall patch cord clip and route the fiber. What if you want to do something a little more involved, like increasing your fiber count within the panel? With Propel, if you're already using MPO 8 or MPO 16 single-mode trunks to LC duplex, you can go from 144 fibers to 288 per rack unit by just replacing the LC modules with SN modules. Take the patch cords out of the clips and remove the clips. Disconnect the LC patch cords from the MPO 8 modules. Disconnect the MPO 8 trunk connectors from the rear of the modules. Remove the modules by pulling on the pull arm and sliding them backwards or forward, depending on your installation. Now we can install our MPO to SN module, which enables us to increase fiber count within the same panel. Insert the SN modules onto the blade. Align the rails on the blade with the slots on the bottom of the module and guide it into position until it locks into place. Since SN modules are twice the density of LC modules, we need to install another trunk cable in the rear of the panel. You can either install the new cable and clip into an empty slot, or you can add a new trunk to an existing bundle by simply removing the hook and loop, adding the trunk, and resecuring with hook and loop. Insert the MPO connectors into the rear of the modules. The SN connectors are keyed, so they only install one way. This maintains polarity throughout the channel. Install the SN patch cords in the two 4-port blocks, beginning at the left with ports 1 through 4. Continue to the right block and ports 5 through 8. When complete, reinstall patch cord clips and route fiber. We've now doubled the density from 48 fiber to 96 fiber on this blade. The same process can be followed to swap out MPO 16 to LC modules with MPO 16 to SN modules. Because the MPO to SN module is half the width of the MPO 16 to LC module, you can fit 6 on each blade. That means you can double the fiber count of each blade and use the same size proven ferrule as the LC duplex connector. If the switch connection uses SN at the transceiver, use SN to SN patch cords. For a switch or server with LC, use the SN to LC duplex patch cord. An MPO8 connection at the transceiver uses an MPO8 to SN array assembly to the panel. Each leg is labeled with a port ID. They get connected just like the SN patch cords we just installed. Before we replace the back cover, let's look at how to transition from the module to the MPO adapter packs and arrays. Take the patch cords out of the clips and remove the clips. Disconnect the LC patch cords from the MPO8 modules. Insert the MPO trunk cables into the rear of the adapter pack. Install the adapter pack onto the blade. Insert the MPO patch cords and/or arrays to the front of adapter pack, and then into the vertical managers on either side. It's that easy. The arrays enable you to fully utilize your trunk cable and support your applications. Since the Propel system uses ultra-low loss connectivity across the portfolio, multiple network generations can be supported using the same cabling. This performance is critical to support the migration to higher data speeds, such as 40G, 100G, and beyond. The Propel fiber platform ensures that your network infrastructure is ready to handle next-generation bandwidth requirements. With Propel, adapting your network to meet the evolving needs of your applications and stakeholders is easy, straightforward, and fast. The Propel fiber platform efficiently manages high fiber counts in limited space, allowing for higher bandwidth and capacity to meet the demands of today's data-intensive applications and support emerging technologies. If you have any questions or need more information on the Propel modular high-speed fiber platform, contact your CommScope representative.